Hey, so welcome to my studio here in my hotel room. I'm out here in Southern California for a couple of days. Today I wanted to talk about a couple of different things. Not all of these zipper pouches. If you know me, if you've seen my kit, you know that I've got a whole bunch of different zipper pouches because I like things organized, and I also like that I can line these up, and for each job I can take what I need and it's all right there in a zipper pouch. So maybe this is episode 1 of the zipper pouch series. Today I want to talk about this little guy, this light green pouch, which is my data kit. Now, I'm not a DIT, I'm not a loader, I'm not a data wrangler by profession, but I end up on a lot of shoots where we're wrangling 2, 3, maybe even 4 cameras, and I like to just know that if I grab this, I have everything I need to handle data and have it backed up at the end of the day. Everything in here is USB-C because I'm a Mac guy. My laptops have USB-C, and so I've built it that way. First, because I'm still most of the time using cameras that shoot on SD cards, I have a dual SD card reader, and that is kind of the foundation. I also have another card reader, which is SD, micro SD, as well as compact flash cards, because if I have a sound op, a lot of the time sound ops tend to have compact flash cards. So those are the 2 pieces of the kit that I use for ingesting media. All the data ends up on these 2 SSDs. Like very, very different sizes here. This is, you can see, I mean, it's a see-through enclosure. Just got an enclosure for a regular old internal SSD, and then this is an M.2 SSD, so a little bit faster, a little bit newer, but also in an enclosure. These 2 drives are where I dump all of the footage, all of the data to using Hedge, so that I have 2 copies of all the data plus the original copies on the media at the end of the day. These are both 1 terabyte SSDs, and I know when I get home, I dump these onto my RAID, dump these onto the backup, and then I can format these so I can start every shoot with 2 formatted drives, 1 terabyte each. I rarely run into a situation right now where I'm pulling in more than a terabyte of data when I'm in the field, but I could always swap these out with bigger drives if I needed to. So there you go. We've got 2 media card readers, we've got 2 SSDs, and then what else is in here? Again, I mean, this is pretty simple, but it's just nice for my headspace to have a separate zipper pouch, just knowing that I've got everything. So I've got a whole bunch of different USB-C cables in there. And then, well, I'm gonna blur this out probably, but I've got my license keys for Hedge and for FoolCat. So if I end up using somebody else's computer, I know I can download Hedge and then just plug in my license key if I need it. But there you go. That is this episode of the Zipper Pouch series, talking about how I wrangle my data in the field.
All right, Drew, do your magic.